Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or on the go, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to explore two prepositions that confuse many learners, between and among.
These words are both about position or relationship, but they're used differently.
Many learners use them interchangeably, but there's a clear rule.
Once you understand the difference, you'll never mix them up again.
We're going to explain everything in the simplest, clearest way possible.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English naturally, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's talk all about between, and only between.
We'll explain everything about between before we even mention the other word.
So, what is between?
Between is a preposition used when talking about two things or two distinct items.
Think of between as showing the position or relationship with exactly two.
It can be two people, two places, two times, or two options.
Let's look at all the ways we use between.
Use 1. Between for physical position with two things.
When something is in the middle of two things, use between.
I'm sitting between John and Mary. Two people, John and Mary.
The store is between the bank and the post office, two buildings.
The cat is sleeping between the pillows. Two pillows.
More examples.
The city is between the mountains and the sea.
She stood between her parents.
The house is between two tall trees.
Place the book between the lamp and the clock.
All showing position with two things.
Use 2, between for time periods with 2 points.
When talking about the time separating 2 points, use between.
I work between 9 and 5, 2 time points, 9 and 5.
The meeting is between lunch and dinner. 2 events.
She'll arrive between Monday and Wednesday, 2 days.
More examples.
Call me between 2 and 3 p.m.
The store is closed between Christmas and New Year.
He was born between 1990 and 1995.
I'll finish between today and tomorrow.
Always 2 time points.
Use 3. Between for choosing from 2 options.
When you're deciding between 2 choices, use between.
I can't decide between the red one and the blue one. 2 options.
Choose between coffee and tea, 2 choices.
She's torn between love and duty. 2 competing things.
More examples.
Pick between this and that.
I'm stuck between staying and leaving.
The choice is between yes and no.
All showing 2 options.
Use 4. Between for relationships connecting 2 things.
When showing a connection or relationship with 2, use between.
The friendship between them is strong. 2 people.
There's tension between the manager and the employee, 2 parties.
The difference between these 2 is clear. 2 items.
More examples.
The bond between mother and child.
The distance between here and there.
The agreement between the 2 companies.
All showing relationships with 2.
Use 5. Between for dividing or sharing with 2.
When dividing or sharing among 2, use between.
Split the money between you and me. 2 people.
Divide the work between the 2 teams, 2 teams.
Share the pizza between you both. 2 people.
More examples.
We divided the cost between us.
The responsibility is shared between 2 departments.
Distribute the tasks between the pair.
Always 2 parties sharing.
Use 6. Between for distinguishing 2 things.
When telling 2 things apart, use between.
I can't tell the difference between them. 2 things.
What's the distinction between these 2 items?
Can you see the similarity between this and that? 2 things.
More examples.
The contrast between day and night.
The connection between cause and effect.
The comparison between then and now.
All comparing or distinguishing two.
Now let's look at some common expressions with between.
Between you and me means confidentially or just between us.
Between you and me, I don't like the plan.
In between means in the middle or during the interval.
I'll call you in between meetings.
Between a rock and a hard place means in a difficult situation with two bad options.
I'm between a rock and a hard place. Both choices are bad.
Read between the lines means understand the hidden meaning.
You have to read between the lines to understand what she really means.
All these use between with two.
Now let's practice with examples using only between.
I'm sitting between my two best friends. The friendship between us is special.
Choose between the chicken and the fish. I can't decide between them.
The store is between the library and the cafe. It's open between 10 and 6.
The difference between these two phones is the price. One costs between $300 and $400.
Let's keep this between you and me. The secret stays between us.
Notice how between always involves two things, people, or points.
That's the key rule. Between equals two.
Now you understand between completely.
Let's move on to among.
Now we'll explain everything about among.
So, what is among?
Among is a preposition used when talking about three or more things.
Think of among as showing position or relationship with a group of three or more things.
It can be many people, many items, or a group of things.
Let's look at all the ways we use among.
Use 1. Among for physical position with many things.
When something is surrounded by or within three or more things, use among.
I found my keys among the papers on my desk. Many papers.
She's sitting among her classmates. Many classmates in a group.
The house is hidden among the trees. Many trees.
More examples.
He walked among the crowd.
The flower was among the weeds.
I saw a familiar face among the guests.
The lost item was among the pile of clothes.
All showing position within a group of many.
Use 2. Among for being part of a group.
When someone or something is one of many in a group, use among.
She's among the best students in the class, part of a group of many best students.
This is among my favorite books, one of many favorites.
He's popular among teenagers, within the group of teenagers.
More examples.
She's among the top performers.
This restaurant is among the most popular in the city.
He's among the first to arrive.
The song is among the greatest hits.
All showing being part of a larger group.
Use 3. Among for distributing within a group.
When dividing or sharing with three or more, use among.
Divide the candy among all the children, many children.
The prize money was split among the team members, many members.
Distribute the books among the students, many students.
More examples.
Share this among yourselves.
The work was divided among several people.
Spread the news among your friends.
All involving three or more people.
Use 4. Among for relationships within a group.
When talking about interactions in a group, use among.
There's disagreement among the committee members, many members.
Harmony among the team is important, many team members.
There was discussion among the experts, many experts.
More examples.
Trust among colleagues is essential.
Competition among the players is fierce.
Agreement among all parties was reached.
All showing relationships within groups.
Use 5. Among for selecting from many.
When choosing from three or more options, use among.
Among all the choices, this is the best. Many choices.
Among the applicants, she stood out. Many applicants.
Among the colors available, I like blue. Many colors.
More examples.
Among the options, this seems right.
Among all the restaurants, this one is my favorite.
Among the candidates, he's the strongest.
all showing selection from multiple options.
Now let's look at common expressions with among.
Among other things means in addition to other items.
We discussed, among other things, the budget.
Among others means in addition to other people or things.
She invited John, Sarah, and Mary, among others.
Honor among thieves means loyalty within a group.
It's an old expression about loyalty even among dishonest people.
All these use among with many.
Let's practice with examples using only among.
I found my phone among all the things on the table. It was hidden among the books.
She's among the smartest students in the class. She's popular among her peers.
Divide the cookies among all the kids. Share them equally among everyone.
Among all the movies I've seen, this is the best. It's among my top favorites.
There's cooperation among the team members. Trust among them is strong.
Notice how among always involves three or more things or a group.
That's the key rule. Among equals three or more.
Now you understand among completely.
Now, let's compare between and among to see the clear difference.
This is simple. It's all about the number.
Between equals two things. Among equals three or more things.
That's the basic rule. Let's see examples.
Example 1.
Sit between John and Mary. Two people, John and Mary.
Sit among your classmates. Many classmates. More than two.
Number makes the difference.
Example 2.
Choose between tea and coffee. Two options.
Choose among all the drinks available. Many options.
Two versus many.
Example 3.
F, the secret is between you and me. Two people.
The secret is among the group. Many people in the group.
Clear difference.
Example 4.
F, divide the money between the two winners. Two winners.
Divide the money among all the participants. Many participants.
See the pattern?
Let's practice with a conversation using both.
Hey, how was the party last night?
It was great. I was sitting among a group of interesting people.
Nice. Was there anyone you knew?
Yes, I was sitting between Sarah and Tom. They're both friends of mine.
Oh, I know them. Is there tension between those two?
Not at all. Actually, among all my friends, they get along the best.
That's good. What did you talk about?
We discussed, among other things, our plans for summer.
What's the choice between?
Well, I have to choose between going to Europe and staying here.
That's tough. Can you decide between different countries in Europe?
Yes, I'm choosing among France, Spain, and Italy.
Those are all great. What's the main difference between France and Spain?
The language, but among all three, I think Italy has the best food.
Did you notice the difference?
Between was used for two. Between Sarah and Tom. Between those two. Between Europe and staying. Between France and Spain.
Among was used for many. Among a group, among all my friends, among other things, among different countries, among all three.
Every single time.
Here's the simple test to know which to use.
Count how many things you're talking about.
If two, use between.
If three or more, use among.
That's it. That's the whole rule.
Quick practice.
I'm sitting blank my two friends. How many? Two. Use between.
I'm sitting blank a group of friends. How many? Many. Use among.
Choose blank pizza and pasta. How many? Two. Use between.
Choose blank all the dishes on the menu. How many? Many. Use among.
The difference blank this and that. How many? Two. Use between.
She's blank the top students. How many? Many. Use among.
See how simple it is?
Common mistakes to avoid.
Wrong. Choose among coffee and tea. Only two. Should be between.
Wrong. I'm sitting between all my friends. More than two should be among.
Wrong. The secret is among you and me. Only two. Should be between.
Always count first.
Memory tricks to help you remember.
Between has two E's. Think two.
Among has an O. Think of O for lots or O for group.
Between sounds like be-tween. Tween sounds like two.
Among sounds like among. Mung sounds like many.
Use whatever trick helps you.
Important note about amongst.
Amongst is the same as among, just a more formal or old-fashioned version.
Among is more common in modern English.
Both mean the same thing, three or more.
You can use either, but among is preferred.
And here's your challenge.
For the next week, every time you use or see these words, count.
Are you talking about two or more than two?
This simple counting habit will make it automatic.
You'll never make a mistake again.
This is one of the clearest rules in English.
2 equals between, 3 or more equals among.
No exceptions, no complications.
Just count and choose.
Let's practice with more real-world examples.
At school or work.
F. The meeting is between the manager and the supervisor, 2 people.
The discussion is among all department heads, many people.
In daily life, the park is between my house and the school, 2 locations.
My house is among many houses on this street, many houses.
Split the bill between you two, 2 people.
Split the bill among everyone at the table, many people.
With relationships, the bond between husband and wife is sacred, 2 people.
Harmony among family members is important, many members.
See how counting makes it easy?
One more important point.
F. Sometimes you're talking about 2 groups, but you still use between.
F. The treaty is between the 2 countries, 2 countries.
You're talking about 2 distinct entities.
But if you're inside one group, there's disagreement among the citizens, many in one group.
Final practice.
The cat is hiding blank the boxes. Many boxes use among.
The cat is hiding between the sofa and the wall. 2 things. Use between.
We decide blank all the options. Many use among.
We decide between option A and option B. 2. Use between.
Perfect.
If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more lessons.
Leave a comment with your sentence using between or among.
Remember the golden rule, count first.
2 equals between, many equals among.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.